Now guys, this is not a joke. This is no joke at all. Many freelancers in Nigeria are cashing out on this website, which I'm about to show you. Now you can perform very simple tasks like post on your Facebook page, post on your Facebook profile, your TikTok, even your WhatsApp status, and earn from this website. Now you can make like 3,000 naira daily doing simple tasks on this website, which will take you less than 30 minutes. Now how much are you going to make if you're doing these tasks every day? That's 90,000, right? If you're doing these tasks 3,000 naira daily, in 30 days you'll be making 90,000. So without wasting much of your time, let's head over to my screen and let me show you.
Head over to Google and search for Hawkit. Once on the website, click on menu and select create account. I'm not going to create an account because I already have an account with it. Go ahead and follow the prompts to create the account. Once done, head to your Gmail to verify your account, then log into your account. Now as a new user, you'll be required to make a one-time payment of 1,000 naira only. Once you've made this payment, you'll now be given access to the platform where you can start making money. I'm going to log in now. Now that you've logged in, head over to the menu and click on Earn. Then get started. Scroll and select which of the platform you want to work with: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, WhatsApp. You'll be making 100 naira for every advert you post on this platform. Like if you select Facebook, every of the adverts you post on your Facebook page, you'll be making 100 naira from that. Do 30 of these jobs to make 3,000 naira daily and 19,000 naira monthly. If this was useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. See you in the next one.